The open space department kind of maintains all the hard trails, so like Little Dry and Ralston Creek Trail. So what we try to do roughly 3 to 5 times a year, which works out to about every 6 weeks, is we'll run a swath, a mower's width or 100 inches off of the trails, the hard paths. We just want to keep a lot of the overgrown vegetation off the trail to kind of make it look clean for the people that use it. And then we'll also do a courtesy cut along people's fence lines. The city maintains roughly 3,200 acres of open space land throughout the city of Arvada. We have 4 full-time crew members on the open space crew. And if you kind of do the math on that, that's roughly 800 acres per person. It's pretty time consuming to try to manage all that, especially with our small crew. So with open space, it obviously changes with the seasons. The spring and the summer, we kind of focus more on get the grasses under control along the trails and the fence lines. So it's a lot of mowing, a lot of spraying kind of happens if the weather cooperates. And then come like mid-July to early September, like we focus on soft trail maintenance. And then fall, we'll do our year-end mows. And then we focus on seeding. And then during the winter, obviously snow removal. And then we try to maintain the trails. It's actually pretty good grass out here. We try to encourage as best we can leave it as long as we can because the grasses, a lot of them are kind of the cooler season grasses, so they tend to really flourish in the springtime. And then come like the end of summer and early fall, they'll drop their seed. And then the idea is that the snowfall in the winter kind of creates all that moisture that they need to regrow in the springtime the following year. So we tend to stay away from these as best we can for as long as we can. Most of the people that you kind of interact with on the trails when we're out working who are super thankful. They're happy to be out there. They're glad to see you out there working. It's just a great way to kind of get people to appreciate the work you're doing that goes into managing the parks. The user experience is like, people really enjoy it. You want to go out there and really enjoy your trail.